not recognize nationality, religion, or race. To him, all humans are simply companions on the road. This is what makes Aloka special. It reminds us that peace is natural, not complicated. People who see Aloka often stop and smile. Children feel safe around him. Strangers feel curiosity, then warmth. Through Aloka, barriers soften and hearts open. The walk for peace is not a protest against others. It is a powerful action, a peaceful action for understanding, mindfulness, and loving kindness. Aloka represents these values without words. Through heat, rain, and long journeys, Aloka continued working, loyal, calm, and present.